Subscribe, please.
Fish on. I must have had it hooked up on the bottom. Alright, come on. Let's land a fish. It's a big swallow. Alright, that is a big swallow. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! There we go! We finally caught something for dinner. And there seems to be a couple out there, so I'm going to put this to the side and keep casting. It's caught a swallowtail, by the way. Alright, I've just made a bait rig. I'm going to throw a bit of herring out. It's one way to hook a rock. Far out. Get a good hit and oh, yep. I do have a fish on. Yes. I think my sinker got snagged or something. I don't know what happened there. I struck into it and then I just felt dead weight. Now I seem to have a fish. What do we got? Big breaks, hey! How have I got it hooked? Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, that's a thumper. Yes! I got a good fish. Big fat breaksy, just scoffed it, eh? Yep. Oh, that feels like a snapper. This is good fish, surely. What do we got? Snapper, yes. Yes, I'm gonna winch this one up. I don't think it's too big. Yeah! Yes! There we go, I finally got a good fish. Good sized pink snapper. He's been far too long between good fish. Not on this trip, just like in general for me, I haven't caught a good fish for ages. So I'm stoked on that. It's not massive, but it's a good fish.